Now here you can see the chain is already a bit stretched, so it was really time. This I'm pretty sure you know what it is. That's the revs sprocket. It's the original one from Sprockets, which is used as a standard. It has 43 tooths. Now this one is different. Let me open it. This one is with rubber cushioning, and instead of 15 teeth what normally the Multistrada has, this one has 14. So I'm basically going 14, 43 on the Multistrada. Chain wise, I have X-ring chain from VID, the 525Z VMX2 with 114 links, which is perfectly fit for the Multistrada 950. So as mentioned, I changed the chain on my Multistrada and I go for 14 teeth to sprocket. Now why would I do that? Now, as we all know, the original gearing is 15 teeth in the front and 43 in the back with 525 chain and 114 links. Now, whenever driving in city traffic, you face the challenge that the Multistrada wants to go. It doesn't feel well when you drive like 50 kilometers an hour in the second gear. You actually want to go in the third gear while cruising, but you know, this V2 is always a little bit rumbly. So if you go one teeth down in front to a 14-inch sprocket, yes, you have to shift a bit more and you sacrifice the top speed, so to say, by a bit, but honestly speaking, I don't care. One, I have knobby tires on the bike. Two, most of the countries have speed limits, so you can't do it anyway, so that's why I did it. But let's see later when it's installed how the bike will behave. Now here you can see this is the 14 tooth, this is the original 15 tooth, and I hope you can see this nicely. The tools are quite worn a bit in comparison with 14. Now certainly the diameter is smaller, and what it does basically, I have to shift earlier in second gear, which should give a bit more maneuverability once I'm riding in slower speeds. Now, chain is installed. I think it looks really nice. No, it looks really nice. Shock with the black spring is installed as well. Now the new springs are on, the new sprocket and chain set is on. Now I'm having 14 in the front and 14 in the front and 43 in the back. It feels fantastic, huh? Now the springs are not yet 100% settled. It takes a little moment until they settle properly. So yeah. Gas. So I have to turn here. Goes well, very nice, love it.